Hello Primary 3, how are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 22, the area. Okay Primary 3, what is the area? The area is the space inside the shape. Okay, the space inside the shape. Look here at this rectangle. I want to calculate the area of this rectangle. The area equals length by width. Length equals 6 and width equals 3. So the area is 6 by 3 equals 18 centimeter squared. This is the area of rectangle, length by width. Okay, let's go to the square. The area of square equals the side length by itself. Why by itself? Side by side. Why? Because a square has 4 equal sides. All sides equal each other. So the area here is side by side or side by itself, which means 5 by 5 here. 5 by 5 equal 25 centimeters. So this is the area in rectangle and square. Activity number 1. A squared window, its side length is 3 centimeters. Calculate the area. The area here equals what? It's a square. First, we have to decide what is our shape. It's a square. So the area equals side by itself, which means 3 by 3 equals 9 centimeters squared. Okay, excellent. A squared land, its side length is 9 meters. Calculate the area. The area here equals 9 by 9. Because it's a square, so the side length by itself, which means 9 by 9, equals 81 meters squared. Rectangle chart, its length is 5 centimeters and its width is 2 centimeters. Calculate the area. Here I have a rectangle. The area of rectangle equals what? Length by width. Excellent. So the length here is 5 and the width is 2. 5 by 2 equals 10. So the area of this rectangle chart is 10 centimeters squared. Do you got it, Primary 3? Excellent. Activity number 2. Sama wants to draw two adjacent squares. Adjacent means close to each other, by each other, like this. These are two adjacent squares. The side length of each one is 5, which means like this, all sides equal 5. I want to get the area of this shape after drawing. Look here, two adjacent squares make a rectangle. So I can make length by width. Where is the length? It's 10 and the width it's 5. So I can get it by one step. 5 by 10 equals what? 50 centimeters squared. Again, when I am drawing this shape, it makes a rectangle, not a square anymore. So I can use the rule of rectangle, which is length by width. Length is the longer side, which is 10, and width is the shorter side, which is 5. 5 by 10 equals 50. Okay? Okay. Let's take another one. Muhammad wants to draw two adjacent rectangles, like this. Two adjacent rectangles. The side length of each of them is 6. The length is 6. And the width is 3. So, like this. And this two, 6 and 3. Calculate the area after drawing the shape. Okay, I can make here also side by side or length by width, like this. 3 and 3 is 6, so I can make 6 by 6 equals what? 36 centimeters squared. So the area is side by side or length by width, okay, in rectangle or square. Okay, look at this activity. I want to get the area of this shape. How can I get it? I have to make this shape two rectangles like this. Make a line to make it two rectangles. I can get the first rectangle easily because I got the length and the width, 9 and 10. But how I can get the other one, this one? If this side is 9, the side in front of it will be 9 too, because each two opposite sides are equal, right? Okay, the side in the base, it's 15 centimeter. If this part only is 9, the other part will be 15 minus 9. The other part, this, will be 15 minus 9 equals what? 6. So, now I have the length and the width of the other rectangle. So, let's get the area of the first one, which is 9 by 10 equals 90. What is the area of the second rectangle? The length and the width here is 5 and 6. So 5 by 6 equals 30. Excellent. Now I can get the area of the whole shape. I will add 90 plus 30 equals what? 120 centimeters squared. So it's very easy. All I have to do is to make the shape two rectangles. That's it. Let's answer another activity to understand it well. Okay, let's answer activity 2. Calculate the area of this shape. It's another complex shape. I have to make it two rectangles like this to answer the area, to calculate the area. If I have in the first rectangle the length and the width, 3 and 5, this one. So I have to get the length and the width of the other rectangle. Okay, but I don't have the length of the other rectangle, but I have the whole base, which is 10 centimeter. Okay, if in the first rectangle this width is 3, the opposite side will be 3 too. So what is the remaining of 10? To get the length of the other side, it will be 10 minus 3 equals 7. So the length of the other rectangle equals 7. 10 minus 3 here equals 7. Now I can get the area of both of them. First one, 3 by 5 equals 15. And the area of the second rectangle equals 7 by 2 equals what? 14. Now I can get the area of the whole shape, which is what? 15 plus 14 equals 29. Okay, primary 3, do you understand? Excellent. Okay, here is your home activity. Answer the question, get the area of the square whose side length is 6 and the rectangle whose length is 12 and width 5. Then answer and calculate the area of this complex shape. My lovely, goodbye.